Hi guys! Welcome
Hello.
back
So
again to
today-
my live. So ayan, magmumukbang tayo ng lansone. So we just finished lunch. So handito si Kuya Enzo. Siya ay pagod kasi kaya ko nilagyan din ng tuwalya kasi kararating lang namin nag-walking ni Enzo and it's raining. Ayan. So ayan, magmukbang tayo ng lansones. So ayan guys. Hindi niyo makita si Ayim kasi andito sa gitna si Kuya Enzo. So, ayan. So, actually, it's like this. Pwede natin siyang makita. Enzo, you move little bit. Then, we can see Bongi. Matamis siya. Sweet. Paan, no? In Cambodia, paan.
Paan.
In Philippines, matamis.
Matamis.
And then the seed is buto. Cambodia.
Ay.
Na? The seed.
Kruap.
Kurwap. Philippine buto. Ang buto niya maliliit. Kurwap. Tik. Tik tik.
So I cannot put my leg.
Hindi ko rin maayano siya. Mahilig si Inso pong pumagitna. So, ayan. Tatlong kilo to guys. Nabili ko siya. Pag kukuha ka ng 3 kilo, 120 baht.
1 kilo, 120 baht? What do you mean?
3 kilo.
thought
I
1
said 3 kilo. Tatlong kilo is 3 kilo. No, 1 kilo. You think I'm crazy? 120 I go buy? You know me. Even is my favorite fruit when it's to only durian expensive I can buy. But lansones still expensive. I need to wait until 1 kg is. Oh, I think 4 kg this one. Because I thought is tamis. Matamis siya. Ay!
Hey, for you.
Si Inso nanunulak. Inso! I need my mukbang eh.
Can you move my baby or then?
My God. Si Inso pasaway. Si Inso parang boss. Boss. But you know, you have fruit also that almost similar to this one. The seed is different. The tree also is a lot similar to this one. Naka-live din ako sa ano? Naka-live din ako sa Pupo. I love you daw. Why you put music? Ay, now I need to clean up my video. Nagmumukbang kami ng lansones.
Nakakatakam naman yan.
May maasim. Maybe this branch is, maybe they take from different tree. Maasim ito. Maasim. So we need to try this one here. Sabi nila, yung medyo itim-itim is sweet. So let's see kung totoo. Kailan yung bumili ako ng, last time I buy this one is ala ends. And it's very sweet.
So you want and go put outside?
No, I don't want the ant. It go in the kitchen. That's what I'm looking. May maasim. Aray ko. Si Insu, hindi ako makaupo ng maganda. Oh, this one maybe. Because it's almost old.
Oi! Why they here? 4,000.
Hama? You win?
No. No, we not lose. See, go home, I put the internet play behind my house. See what happens.
Maasim. Let's try this one. Maasim yun. So, si Ayem is going home. Kaya this one, I'm going to put in the fridge kasi marami. This one is, I cannot finish today because some is sour actually. It's not that all sweet. Ito.
And when I home, so I cannot help you to eat. You are the one to eat the one, it's not me.
So, I think so. I'm going to put in the fridge so hindi siya masira. Kasi kung wala si Ayem, hindi na ako makapunta ng palengke kasi walang mag-alaga kay Enzo. Hindi ako makaalis ng bahay. BFF, andyan ka pa? Upo ka sa ano, sa number 2. Ah, number 2. Upo ka sa number 7. Madam Sayad, baba ka muna ah. Asan na si Madam Gracie? Madam Gracie, akit ka na. Ah, ito yung maasim kasi ano siya. Actually, hindi pa siya totally hinog yata. Ito din, hinarvest nila. Oh my God. I rather eat the mango that is sour than. Halika na, bumaba na si Madam Sayad. Maasim. So, hindi ko siya kayang ubusin. Actually, I went to the market to look for durian, but the shop is closed today. Maasim, grabe. Kumakain ako pero naglalaway ako dahil dito sa asim niya. I-try ko nga yung ibang part. Ito maasim din to eh. Hindi pa siya totally hinog. Tapos hinarvest. Parang ito, nahinog sa pilit. Kumbaga, dalaginding pa lang, pinakasalan na. Kaya ang hindi pa matured.
Oh, and so push me this morning, my hair is hurt.
Push you where?
He walk normal on him, but another dog is want to jump on him, so jump. Then he
That's
push-
why I want to bring
then
a stick,
he push me go.
That's why I want to bring a stick because last time
Now it's
the other dog want to eat Enso nga. I bring a stick not to beat Enso, is to beat the other dog. Because the one who hold the dog, they don't take their
And
dog
so when the one jump on him, he's on the jump also, and he's so strong. It's not 2 kg.
Of course, si Kuya Enzo ay malaki ang
That's
muscle.
why I don't like to walk early. I like to walk around 7:30 to 7:40. It's not my dog.
Actually, it's not Enzo is the problem. It's the different dog. They cannot control their dog. But that one, they supposed to cover the mouth of the dog, So they don't bite different. So ayan guys, gagawin ko na lang na.
Just I hold him,
30
I walk
minutes.
normal on him. When he run to jump on another one, he pulls me go.
Parehas na ba? Hindi san is sweet da. Thing is no.
Some is ready, some is not yet, man. It's not whole tree, it's the fruit all same. Can
But
take.
this one is.
They have the young one, you have the not young.
Saglit lang guys ha. I-enjoy ko lang yung aking lansones. Matamis to. This one sweet, this one.
Lady, you die with who? You eat my coin 10,000 already.
So ayan guys, thank you for watching. At kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating YouTube channel, please naman po pa-subscribe at pakibigyan na rin ito ng thumbs up. At syempre, don't forget to press the notification bell para magiging updated ka sa susunod kong mga video. So pinapakiala ko itong si Miss Cambodia. At itong aming friendshiping tulog ng tulog. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye!